what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can download your MLB application in your PC. So first of all, if you search for MLB app download in PC, it will direct you to some emulator like BlueStacks. But this being the long process, if you would like to simply have this application in your PC, what you could do instead is, first of all, you may go ahead and simply get logged into your account. For example, if this is your account, then you could directly install this page. For that, select this three-dot icon, scroll below, here select Cast, Save and Share, select Install Page as App. Once done, simply type in MLB here, rename it, then select Install. Now this is not the nicest way, but this is a way which will avoid you to do it from maybe BlueStack or other emulator. And once it has been downloaded, as you can see, I have it in my taskbar. So this is type of a shortcut that you could have. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.